Hi everybody, this is Michelle and I am back with our studio renovation. This is episode 6 and so much has changed since our last episode. So we are actually 6 weeks into this renovation right now. Today, the day that we're filming this is August 31st. So it is the last day of my lease at my old studio down the hall. So everything is almost out of there and you'll probably see some sneak peeks of kind of what that looks like now, and it will be empty by tonight, by midnight, right? So we are moving things down here. I'm standing in my new craft studio, like my part, where I will do my designing and work. And last time the floor was almost done. The floor is finished, the trim is in, and we actually decided, I can't remember if I shared this with you or not, but the cabinet that we painted is in here. This is an 8-foot long cabinet, and this is mounted to the wall, bolted to the wall to kind of stabilize that wall. And so down here is going to be the new countertop. So we have to finish that up, and then once that gets put on there, and then there's a little that white backsplash, then this room will be done. This little white table, or it's not actually little, I think it's a 6-foot table. We got this from IKEA. This will go over there, and then all my paper from my units will go on that back wall. So that back wall, you're gonna see in future videos. That is my backdrop for all my YouTube videos and Facebook Lives and all of that. So everything will go along there. So that little shelf won't be there. I literally just carried that down. We have had internet installed, so that's exciting, and we have gone to IKEA and we tried to buy some stuff. Most of the things we wanted were out of stock, and so we got a few things anyway, and those are assembled and they're just waiting to come out. We didn't want to set this room up with, if there's potential for more dust with putting this top on. What I'm most excited about though, and I should have said this right away, is the main area. It looks 100% different from last time. So we're gonna take a look and show you what this main classroom studio area looks like right now. So come along with me and let's see what this area looks like. And you walk in here, you will now see the walls are all finished and painted, and obviously the big thing in the room is the floor is down and done. And again, this floor had layers of carpet and tile, and part of it was glued and part of it was missing where those walls, like those dividers, were up. The walls had tons of wallpaper and unevenness, and my dad had to do a lot of repair to try to fix some of the things, but it has all been painted and primed. My in-laws did so much help with that, and my husband. And then you can see we put up some of the new tables. So these are the tables, and there's a few chairs in here. Again, this isn't what it will look like in the end, but right now this is how it looks. I actually held my card club yesterday for about 6 ladies, and so we met in here, and obviously there's nothing on the walls. It's not decorated or anything, but this is what it looks like currently. We have all the trim in. I took my old card rack and I painted that white, and so we're going to be filling all my cards. I sell my cards, so that will get up. The doors up here have been painted. They were like a nasty cream, just really old looking, so my husband did that. And then up above in the ceiling there was like a bunch of wood that was, again, the same color as that door, and we painted that all white. Some of the ceiling had some tiles that were wet and looked kind of bad, so those have been replaced. So yeah, this is the space as it is now. Now I get to move everything in from my house, finish the few things down there, and then decorate this place and get it how it's supposed to be. I have this little table here just for my card club for today and yesterday, just like a little workstation for me. So this isn't gonna necessarily be here, but yeah, I needed it for yesterday. I think my dad is building me a table to go here, and it'll be like higher, like a counter height. So my die cutting machine will be on that. So this is just a little sneak peek of where we're at now. I am so excited about how the space looks. I cannot wait to move everything in here and get it set up for all kinds of classes in September. and again, start decorating the place and making it feel more inviting than it already is. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. You like the video, and you can drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of it so far, and maybe if you have any suggestions on how I should decorate these walls. They're really big, long walls, and in my other studio I had lots of card displays and I had a couple mirrors that looked kind of like windows and stuff. But again, these are like 2 to 3 times the size. So any suggestions, pop them below. I will be going shopping, looking for maybe some of your ideas. So thanks for following this journey with me. If you just found this video, go back and look. There's several episodes and you can see the progress throughout. I will see you next time. Bye.